Hello everyone, today we have a 2014 Toyota Sienna. Go ahead and drop the hood so we can take you for a tour. It does have the alloy wheels, a sunroof and luggage rack. Has a ton of cargo space. Toyota does an excellent job of coming up with space where you need it. It's deep. I'll go ahead and take you around the vehicle. It does have a power liftgate. I'll go ahead and show you the interior. It does have the screens that you can pull up the tabs on the windows. There's one back there set up. This does have a light gray leather interior. So you have cup holders and a power supply there. Okay, I'll show you a shot of the VIN. There are your driver controls, your mirrors, and your rear vent. You also have a leather wrapped steering wheel. This is your push to talk over here, and then you have your cruise control and your volume for your stereo. You can see that you have 57,397 miles on this vehicle. It's telling me to buckle up, which I haven't done for the sake of this tutorial. It is also giving us the indication that your air conditioner is on. All you have to do to see the backup camera is to throw it in reverse. And there's your backup camera. We're in front of some rocks right now. So put it back in park. And then you're averaging 23 miles per gallon right now. It's your stereo. Okay, you also have disc as well. Right here you have your other climate control modes. For the rear and the front are separate. You can also synchronize them. Let's see, you also have your heated seats and your other power supply here. Your cup holder and center console. Okay, and then here are your switches for your sunroof as well. You can also open up your side doors or your back hatch from here as well. Right here. Okay. So this vehicle does have a branded title. It had impacts on the front and the back. So here. And here. Right there. You can see we've gotten it all buttoned up. It has passed our 150-point inspection, as it turned out to be cosmetic damage only. It's also passed the state of Utah safety inspection. So, we do have a few other vans on the lot. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.